Evolution works with the so-called process points. A process point is an object that allows us to group data points and perform advanced operations on them. All modules and visual elements are configured with the process points. In the tab Process Points, we find all the process points of our project in one list. In this list we can create folders so as to have a better overview of our process points. After accessing the contextual menu, we can create and manage both the folders and the process points. We select the option New Process Point and a form will be displayed. An identifying name must be introduced for our configuration work. And optionally, if this object is meant to be visible and somehow configured by a final client, we can give it a visualization name in as many languages as necessary. Next, the configuration is divided into 5 tabs. In the first tab, we find the basic features of our configuration of a process point. In the bottom part, we can see the list of data points that are associated to the object. We press the button Add in order to link new data points. Within the option Edit, we can change the behavior of any of them. Also, we can configure the type and subtype. These are, in principle, limited by the type and subtype of the linked data points. Then we select the logic function for status of the data points. We define whether we wish to run a historical log of the object's values. This is indispensable if we would like to have these values shown in the graphics. And we can configure the number of decimals used to format the object's value, provided it is accepted by the selected data type. In the tab Advanced, the times and properties of advanced behavior can be configured. In the tab Processing, we can carry out conversion of units or even apply formula to manage the receipt or sending value, both from the object and from the linked data points. In the tab Recording, if we have selected the object to be registered, we can configure the mode and the operations to be performed when the object's values are registered. In the tab Visibility, we can define whether the object will be visible for a certain user or user group on each CBSE module. This option will only be available whenever we are editing a process point that has been previously created. Finally, we press the button Save to create the new process point. Thank you for your attention.